Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a scalp treatment on my hair. This is my first time doing this. I have aloe vera plant, apple cider vinegar, and I've seen a lot of people using tea tree oil, but I'm just going to use my own oil mixture. I have olive oil, grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, jojoba oil, and black castor oil in this mixture. So we're gonna start off by cutting it up, and you gotta blend it together, but we're gonna get there. Okay. I'm just gonna start with that. Grab this. I just hate that aloe vera really stinks. It really stinks. You guys, I'm left-handed. Sorry how I'm cutting this. Some stuff I'm just leaving out. Okay, take my mixture and I'm gonna put it in a little blender, and so I'm then gonna take about I don't know how much I'm supposed to use. Let me see. It says 2 tablespoons. That's 1 tablespoon. Oh, I actually had it measured right, and it's 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 tablespoons because why not? I have a lot of aloe vera for the rest of it. That's about 3 1/4 apple cider and I want to say about a cup, a little under a cup of aloe vera. This is my first time doing this, you guys, so bear with me. I'm gonna take my oil mixture.
This thing?
Honestly, I'm just gonna spray about 7 pumps of that in there. Okay, so now that we have that, we're gonna place it on here. Okay, and it's very watery. So then I have my spray bottle. We're gonna pour it into the spray bottle. Guys, I'm not very coordinated. And this is a 8 fluid ounce spray bottle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and head into the restroom. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the restroom so I can spray the concoction on my head. Okay, so I am now about to put the concoction in my hair. If you hear little cartoons in the background, this part that. Okay, so what I've seen on YouTube is they parted their hair. Okay, we're gonna take this piece by piece. Okay. Make sure. Okay. And then kind of just spray it. And rub it in. Just need a towel. I don't know if I was supposed to wash my hair beforehand or no. But anyways, I didn't. Well, I washed my hair yesterday, well last night, but my scalp has still been bothering me. It's kind of like this little piece in the front, but everybody I've seen has been spraying. Oh Lord, I hope my hair doesn't fall out. Every time I try something new, I always think like, every time before I try something new, I always imagine like myself with a bald head, and then if I can take having a bald head, then I'll like try it out. So as I was making this, I had to imagine myself with a bald head. I ain't never had a bald head a day in my life, but we gonna see. But you know, some people just sensitive to stuff. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing this with makeup on. I wonder if the stuff that I don't use, can I save it? I'm gonna look that up. If you can save it, and then if you can save it, how long can you save it for? Because aloe vera is cheap, but you know, you still, if you got some product or something left, like you still want to keep it. Me, I'm very frugal. I like to save what I can when I can. Oh, this stuff stinks. Oh, I hate the way apple cider vinegar smells. The part that I'm having an issue with is kind of right here in the front. I don't know to lean my head back or what. Okay, so I'm gonna put a good amount right there. I have this thing now. I haven't got a blowout in forever, but like sometimes I like to just blow dry my hair after I wash it, and I did that last night, which is why my hair looks semi-straight, because I blow dried it last night. You know, when you're natural, like hassle-free ponytail, like sometimes you just want to be able to slick your hair in a damn ponytail. Okay, I don't know, I have like full makeup on, you guys. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna try to keep my head tilted back. supposed to, I don't know if it's just for your scalp or for your hair too. I'm gonna just rub it in. I don't know if you guys know her, but Alyssa Ashley, like, she has some little thing on one of her videos, like, massaging her scalp, and I kind of want it. But at the same time, like, I feel like stuff like that's a waste of money. Okay. I have these things. I bought them from HEB. You get 15 plastic wraps for $1. You know, instead of like using a trash bag, because that's what I used to use, and I'm like, come on, for $1, like, you get 15. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray my ponytail and kind of just do it like this. So I went ahead and put the cap on. And we're gonna see. So I'm guessing I'm gonna leave it on about, let me see how long she's leaving it on. 15 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back and my makeup is gone. I had to wash it off. Went ahead and I rinsed out the apple cider vinegar and the aloe vera oil mixture. I rinsed it out, and my hair was kind of dry, so I deep conditioned real quick, and I used this, the Shea Moisture Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. So I went ahead and I used that, and I did want to come on camera really quick and tell you that my scalp feels amazing. It feels really, really good, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some Garnier Fructis, some leave-in conditioner, and this is just what I would normally do after I wash my hair. And I'm not really on here to give you a tutorial, but this is what I normally do after I finish washing my hair. Okay. And since I'm I'm really just gonna throw my hair up in a little pony and kind of let it air dry. So after the leave-in conditioner, I'll use my oil mixture that I used in the little aloe vera mix. And right here is where I'm having the issues with my hair, so. Okay. And then this step is something that I do after I wash my hair. This is the same. I do pretty much the same things. And I do switch my products up though. But now I'm gonna put the Shea Miracle Bouncy Curl Pudding. And with this, I parted in sections because I kind of wanted to be on my hair. Cute comb from Walgreens. It's in the box comb, but like, and I think that's so cool because it stretches with your hair, you know. So then I'll just go in. Remember, always hold your hair at the end. first went natural, what I did was I didn't cut my hair. Like, I didn't cut my hair out. I just kind of transitioned because I just wasn't about that life. And the crazy part about me though, when I used to get relaxers, like I literally had only used to get them like maybe once a year. So it kind of, by the time I decided like, oh, I'm gonna be natural, it had already been like a year. It was that year was coming around for me to get another relaxer. I was like, I'm done. I cannot tell you how many years I've been natural, but my first few years of being natural, I did not take my hair serious because first of all, I didn't know what to do. And second of all, I just didn't take it serious. I'm gonna say it was my 10th grade year of high school that I stopped getting relaxers, and that had to be, I've been out of high school, how many years now? 5, so that was like 7, 8 years ago, 5, 6, about 7, 8 years ago. I guess I was in 10th grade. But then plus when I was when I was in high school, like I was living with my dad, like he didn't really know about hair, so those first few years I really don't count them, because it's kind of like I was just in those awkward stages. But overall with this with that technique, I want to say my hair feels really, really nice. That was my first time ever doing that, so I would have to try it a few more times. But as far as right now, my scalp, it feels very clean. But I will say you are gonna have to deep condition, or not even, if you don't deep condition, you're gonna have to put like some concealer and moisturize your hair really well, because it kind of dries it out. Like even though you put oil in the mixture, it still kind of dries your hair out. But my hair feels really, really nice and really, really clean. So, would I recommend it? Yes. But have I tried it enough to recommend it? No. But for my first time, for my first use, I will recommend it because my scalp feels very, very nice. And my hair just feels nice. So, go ahead. I thank you for watching. And again, if you have any recommendations, if you have any questions, or if you want to see more natural videos, I can definitely do that. But go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and